Well, we're in Lanzarote. For the last 4 weeks I've been waiting to go up to Scotland, but I keep on having to put it off. The weather's just bloody atrocious. Week after week it looks like it's going to be good, and then it just turns to shit. So I gave up, and then I've come to Lanzarote for a week. A bit of cycling, a bit of relaxing. So I suppose this is a bit of a vlog, which I don't do many of. That's what I do most of South Africa. So I'll just take a few shots here and there where it's there's some cool scenery. So Lanzarote is one of the most westbound islands, which means it's one of the youngest ones. It's quite a nice island. I've been here quite a few times. And we're out at the lighthouse, out of the southwest tip of Lanzarote. Getting over it. And then where is the volcano? Montana Rioja. This here is Montana Rioja. It's a real life volcano just behind the villa. To try and find out when it last erupted and stuff, but I've been up it once before, and it's got a real caldera in the centre of it. It took 15 minutes to get up here, and you can see Costa Blanca. Down here to the south, we got Fuerteventura. Well, this is the caves. It's pretty overcast, so maybe they don't look as good today. Usually last time I was here, the sea was really crystal blue, but with the overcast sky, you know, it doesn't look as cool, but you can see you can go around and go in these little bits here. Pretty cool, eh? You can see it's just, you know, lava all the way down. You can see the red ones over there. That's a national park, and some of them are still really warm. You know, there's bits that you can fry an egg on and all that kind of stuff. So it's still very active around here, you know. As I say, the most of it just looks like this. Like it's just been an eruption in the last couple of days, and it's left this rubble everywhere, you know.